Well, that was an awesome day. Thanks for hanging out and watching cartoons with us. We'll see you right back here tomorrow on Cartoon Network. Good night.